Hello guys, hello lovely people. Okay, let me turn off this TV. All about bullshit. Anyways guys, I'm heading to my date. I have a date guys. Let me show you guys, let me see if you guys like how I dressed up. It is a little bit windy here, so let me put my camera. So this is my style. I'm taking this bag. The reason that I'm taking this to put my camera, because I don't have a space. So I'm gonna take the grab bike. So for that reason, I have to put the camera here. So that's why I'm wearing this. Otherwise, I'm just dressing like this, guys. What do you guys think? So, guys, she's hot. She's hot as hot. Like, you have no idea how many match I have. Like, more than, I guess, 100. Like, since this afternoon. I didn't go nowhere. I'm just doing my laundry and chilling. Let me show you guys again my room at night. Just lovely, lovely room, guys. I'm gonna extend it. It's so cool, man. It's gigantic room. Like, this is a one-bedroom apartment, guys. Like, I have a desk. Sorry for my clothes. It's hanging everywhere because I don't want to put it in the dryer. I hate to put my clothes in dryer because it's just shrinking. So this is the washroom again. So this is my living room, and I'm sorry again, I'm hanging my clothes everywhere here to get dry. So this is my living room, and I gotta go and get the grab because I'm a little late. So yeah, this is my room, guys. I'm heading to the date. So this is my kitchen, and this is my lovely laundry, my washing machine. And there's a dryer outside, but I don't want to use the dryer. So yeah, guys, I have an unbelievable date. She's so cute. I hope she's okay with the camera, so I can put the camera on. But let's see how everything is gonna work out. So 7:20, I have a date at 8:15. I have to keep going. So cheers, guys, and see you guys soon. Oh shoot, I just realized that my microphone, it was not next to me. So guys, I want to show you guys my room one more time. So this is the lovely bedroom that I have. It's just so cute, so nice. So this is my bed. I have a balcony here, so I'll show you guys tomorrow. But I want to quickly show you guys the room again. Sorry for my clothes is hanging everywhere because I don't want to put my clothes in the dryer. It's just shrinking. So this is my washroom, guys. This is I have a one-bedroom apartment here, guys. It's just lovely. It's so clean, so beautiful. And hopefully I can extend here. I have a hot water and cold water here. I have a dining table here and my kitchen here, lovely kitchen. Hopefully I can cook here. And also I have my washing machine. So guys, I'm a little bit late. So I have a date. I gotta go. So I already filmed this part, but I'm gonna film again. So this is what I'm wearing, but I have to put that bag because I have to put my my camera inside. So let's go, and hopefully she let me put her on camera. Let's see how everything is gonna work out. Cheers guys, and see you guys soon. Bye bye. I'm heading to date. Guys, I'm waiting for my Grab driver, but I want to show you around here at night. It is very quiet, very peaceful. Oops. And this is what I want. Like, you can get the Grab. Like, I'm taking Grab, guys, to the old French whatever. Like, where is all the happenings happening? All the action happenings, and costing me 22,000, guys. It's just like $1 with the Grab, with the Go bike. So it's just much better to stay somewhere nice, clean, and quiet, and then travel back and forth. That's the bottom line. So that's what I'm gonna do, and hopefully I can extend here because I really like that. I really like it. It is very quiet. It's just 2 units in each floor, so probably I'm not gonna come across crazy people. So that's it, guys. I have everything. I can cook, I can do my laundry. That's all I need, and it's very nice and clean, guys. So I'm waiting for my Grab bike. Let's see how soon it's gonna come. Okay guys, my driver here. So I'm heading to my meeting, which is takes about 8 minutes from here. So according to my driver. What is your name, my friend? What is your name?
Hi.
Yes, name. What is your name?
Hi.
Ty?
Hi.
Nice to meet you, Ty. My name is Hamid. Nice to meet you. The guy a little bit coughing, so I'm a little bit afraid I'm gonna get sick. So. Guys, I just arrived here and my date is coming within 10 minutes. I'm just walking around and look at here. It is absolutely crazy busy. Even I remember here, I came here to this restaurant. Apparently it was one of the best. Yeah, this is the most busiest part of obviously Hanoi. Yeah, it is very crowded. I remember this area even last time when I was here. Oh Jesus, there's a lot of tourists here. Seriously, over my dead body, I stay in this area. This is a good place just to come and hang out and go back to somewhere and sleep, relax. Because hotel around here is just a nuts. Guys, I just met the girl that I was chatting with. She's not the same person, and I was shocked, guys. Today, it was kind of second scam, guys. So when I take the Grab from airport to my hotel, so you have to pay roughly $9,000 for, I don't know, some sort of airport fee. But the guy charged me like $65,000. But guess what, guys? This girl was one of those massage girls around here. They are part of like crew of scam. So what they do, they approach foreigners through Tinder or Bumble or whatever dating app. And obviously she wasn't the same person. So just be careful when you match with these girls. Anyways, guys, I'm just gonna go for a walk and see what is going on. So as soon as I find out she's part of that shit, I said, you know what? You go do your things, and I'm gonna go and enjoy my time.
Hello, your food menu.
It is busy as hell here, guys. And she came with the dress. She said she's gonna go home and shower and change, but she came with the same dress that she goes to work. And she's one of those massage girls. So when you matching with the girls here online, just be careful. Anyways, guys, I find the complaint through Grab and they give me my money back. But the bottom line is, you just be careful here. This was almost second scam. But I've been around, so I can read that shit. No, thanks. It is very busy, guys. Everywhere is extremely busy. A lot of people. Oy. Jesus. What the hell is going on here? Yeah. It's completely nuts here, guys. Guys, here is extremely busy. It's just unbelievable. Look at this. It is so busy, guys. It's just out of control. This is fucking insane, man. It's just so many people. Somehow it's just a little bit annoying, man.